Let's learn the basics of Rust programming: variables, data types, and arithmetic. In Rust, variables are immutable by default. We use let to declare a variable. Let x equals 5 creates an immutable variable. To make a variable changeable, add the mut keyword. Let mut y equals 10 creates a mutable variable. We can now change y to a new value. Compiling and running the code. X stays at 5 because it's immutable. Y changed from 10 to 20 because we used mut. Rust has several built-in data types. I32 is a 32-bit signed integer for whole numbers. F64 is a 64-bit floating point for decimals. Bool holds true or false values. Ampersand str is a string slice for text. Println with curly braces prints the values. Running the code shows all our values. Age and year are integers. Price is a float. Boolean is true, and language is the string Rust. Let's learn arithmetic operations in Rust. We declare two variables, a equals 10, b equals 3. Addition uses the plus sign. Subtraction uses the minus sign. Multiplication uses the asterisk. Division uses the forward slash. Modulo uses percent to get the remainder. Running shows 10 plus 3 equals 13. Integer division. 10 divided by 3 equals 3, no decimals. Modulo. 10 mod 3. Congratulations! You now understand Rust variables, types, and arithmetic.